Go to MetaMask.io and click on the link that matches the browser you are using, in this case, the Get Chrome extension link. Click Add to Chrome, and then on the pop-up, click Add Extension. You should then see the MetaMask Foxhead logo on the top right on your browser. Click on the logo and scroll to Terms and Conditions and press Accept. Then choose a password for your account. You will then be taken to your seed phrase, or the 12-word phrase that is unique to you. It is very important because this is the only way to restore your account if you forget your password. You could lose your wallet and all your coins and tokens if you lose this. Store it somewhere secure and then press I've copied it somewhere safe. This is the inside of your MetaMask wallet. It's empty, so let's get some Ethereum. In this video, we're going to use the QR code to transfer Ethereum from our Coinomi wallet on iPhone to our MetaMask. After you buy or transfer Ethereum, it will show up here. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.